All right, hey, what's going on there, internet land? Um, been a while since I've done one of my regular videos. Been kind of focusing on the shorts and stuff like that. Just kind of doing my flow stuff. Um, but yeah, like I still very much have an interest in the sabers as well, and the electronics function and all that whatnot. So um, we've had this Hanling saber for a while, and I posted one of the short video about some 27 millimeter speakers I'd found on AliExpress, and I've been using them for about a week now, and they've been pretty good. So I just wanted to kind of talk about it. I'll throw a link to the product in the description. But yeah, so I was just like looking at them, and I kind of found. I think I first saw them and I saw that they were like 27 millimeter. I thought, oh wow, they'll fit perfectly, but they had an open back, and I was worried that's gonna affect the sound, and it will. But if you wrap a piece of electrical tape around it, it basically makes it a closed back speaker, and you get pretty much everything out of the speaker like you're supposed to. It comes out the direction there. So just wanted to do a demo on that. Don't mind, I have a cat that's trying to get in. If I let her in and close the door again, she'll try to get out. So yeah, I just wanted to show off a few things. I picked up a few sound fonts from Greyscale, like a few of the paid ones, and they are like really fucking good. The free stuff is great. I mean, that's definitely the first spot you want to go to if you buy one of these sabers, whether it's anything that can upgrade with the SD card. Definitely go over to Greyscale, grab everything you can for free, and just enjoy. So this is, I think, gonna be Verndari. No. Okay. So I have the same fonts, and I have a Xeno here too that I've also put this 27 millimeter speaker into, and I just wanted to like compare them a little bit. So that's pretty nice. And I mean, with the whatchamacallit, and this saber, by the way, if you're curious, it's kind of like all my sabers are a Frankenstein mess of different companies. This is a Hanling proffie top with the Hanling core and the proffie electronics. And I was actually struggling a little bit with it, and I think I was actually putting shitty speakers in it. I put a 24 mil in there, and I think it was a 5 watt, and maybe it just didn't have enough power or something for it. I don't know. But it wasn't giving me good sound. And now this is as good as my other proffie. It's the exact same, and it's great. But in order to do that, I had to use LGT parts on the bottom. TXQ parts will work just the same, but it's just the way it is, and it works for me. I don't really care, and it looks really nice in my opinion. All right, let's see what we got next. I think, oh yeah, I wanted to show, and this is mostly LGT with the TXQ emitter because I like it. It's got like a hexagon, and it just kind of grips. But I think I have Verndari up on here. Yeah. You can see it's pretty similar. you can tell there's a difference, you know, like side by side, but I mean, being this close to proffie sounds, it's pretty impressive.
Anomaly.
Now I think I want to go. Okay, so this is the one that I showed in the short, and I love this hum. That's the LGT, the Xeno. Obviously, you're going to get a much sicker ignition with this. Let me do that again. That's one of my favorites. Don't mind the color difference, I haven't said all this yet. That's not bad at all. I mean, not at all.
Pin and skull?
I got skull on there, but this one actually, it's not bad, but I wouldn't say that one's bad. I think it just plays a little bit better on the proffie. I just don't have it on the proffie right now because it's all grayscale stuff and the one free J Lorian that I have.
What the hell is it on? Crispity. Anomaly.
Okay.
Anomaly.
Okay. So I love that one's just straight business with the ignition. I'm not like really gonna go through all the sound effects on everyone because I mean I'm kind of got my hands full, but
Steady.
oh, why'd I do that? I mean, that's the only something that they need to do for the LGTs though is the hum timing, because I noticed that it's sort of set to start with the end of playback on the ignition, the out files, and some of them trail, you know, so it means that if that is going and there's a trail on it, the hum isn't starting and there's, you know, a delay. So they need to be able to just have an override on that, so the hum you can set when that starts. But outside of that, I mean, you know, a workaround, you could just throw it in a, you know, editor and you know, just trim it and fix that. Unfortunately, you're messing with the files, but you know, it depends. I really don't mind it. I mean, because I'll just ignite it and it sounds cool, and there's a, you know, it just is what it is for now. Hopefully, they're gonna get it updated, I'm sure. Was that the next one? Alright. This one, I love this one. The ignition and the hum is just, oh shit, very like otherworldly. And it doesn't really show up on the camera, but with these, like, the blade effects that they set up are so cool. Like, this is like a, kind of looks like a lava lamp. That one. Now the Xeno. They're just so nice. I don't know, like the sounds that he makes. I'm more into this than like even the Canon fonts. I mean, that's just, you know, who I am. No, I think
Anomaly.
no. I think, is Omen after this? Okay, we'll do it that way. That one I really like. Then this one. This one might be one of the, well, of the ones that I just picked up yesterday, this might be the favorite one. And this is the one I actually requested for free. Yeah, he actually did like a, give away free fonts for Thanksgiving. So, that's a cool thing. And then he still got a sale all week. So, $5, all his fonts. I can only grab 3 because that's what my budget is. But, I think I did well with the ones I chose. That one,
The Enterprise.
That's a subtle one, and you need to see like what that one's doing. But there's just like a little bit at the end, just a little extra, and it just changes color. I don't know. It's just little things like that with these fonts that tickle my brain. Actually, you know what? When I'm done with this, I'm going to go through. I'm going to show a few more. Because one things I really like about this are the end locks that he puts on these. They really get me. I think Xeno might like that one the least of all the ones I picked up, but it still sounds good. You know what I'm saying? It's just how it goes. But with the way that everything was going on that with the 24mm, it really, like the small speaker that it comes with, it really wasn't doing like these sounds any kind of justice. You definitely want to get something bigger in there. I gotta do a little vape. Excuse me. I hate my life. Just gotta kill my lungs. But what's been going on for like 20 minutes here? All right. Yeah. What did I want to show? Yeah. Some of the end locks on these are just ridiculous. I just love like that little detail. That's a good one. This is a similar one that I like. Actually, you know what? Another thing too, if you get these on proffie, like you have like the slow ignition, you can also just do like a regular one. The hell was I doing? Okay. Oh, I love that. I don't think this one is... one's cool, but...
Anomaly.
Actually, I don't know if I tested this one. Oh yeah, okay, no, I did. I like that one. I wish I had Apocalypse on here, because that one has like a laugh, and it's just really cool. Yeah. That's it. And that's just one of the free ones. I think that was analog. Even the free ones are freaking awesome. Yeah, so I mean, like I said, I just wanted to show this because, I kind of wanted these to just, be a little bit louder, and I've been looking for the speakers. I've seen the 28mm speakers that were out there, and, in order to get these into any one of these, they typically needed to be, like, modified. You need to cut, some of the hilt because of just the point of contacts where you actually solder onto, and just the circumference of it, it just becomes a necessity. And I'm not like really that fond of it. I mean, I have a Dremel, I can do it, I just would prefer not to. And considering these things were there, I just gave them a shot, and they're pretty good. So I already ordered a few more of them. Got a little bit of a Black Discount Friday, so at least on that end of things, I'm pretty good. But yeah, I just wanted to share that because I think I think it's a really good way to go for if you got an LGT. Throw it in there. Just, you got to be a little comfortable with soldering, and, maybe just have a little bit of DIY practice beforehand. It's really not that hard to solder on leads to it because there's, a little PCB there, but, it might not be something that you want to dive into if you just don't have any prior experience with it. I'm very low level with that. I mean, I, can barely solder, and I don't, engage in all the proper practices of it, but it is definitely something that it's maybe worth learning, for some of the, if you're getting into these small hobby electronics. I kind of wish maybe I'd been doing it younger, but anyways, enough out of me on that. I think I made a fair enough demonstration. If you have any questions about anything, let me know. But yeah, check these speakers out. Definitely check out Greyscale Fonts because, I mean, he's making some pretty ridiculous things out there. And I never thought, like, I honestly wouldn't thought that I would be paying for sound fonts, but they're that good, and these are things that I'm just using all the time. So, also another thing too, just one last thing, I finally got some leather on this. So now, definitely looks a lot better than it did before. Well, actually I had red on it, but now I have the red one, 2 blue ones, and I could probably do another red one because, yeah, he wasn't kidding. Like, you usually get enough for like 2 handles out of the strips that you get from Defcon Bird. Definitely going to be ordering more from them because this is really easy and looks cool as shit. But, all right, yeah, enough out of me. All right, take it easy. Thanks for watching. And if you like, my videos, yeah, you can like and subscribe if you want. I'd totally be down for that. I'll definitely be making more videos. I don't know how many, new stuff I'm going to be doing on this end because budget and all. But you know, as I'm able to, I will. All right.